If you're looking for a way to relax and unwind during the upcoming summer season, owning one of the best hot tubs could be just what you need. Not only do they provide a great space to chill out with friends and family, but they also offer a range of health benefits. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hot tubs you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Bestway, SaluSpa St. Lucia, ranked as the 5th best hot tub on the market. With 110 jets releasing air bubbles, it creates a soothing massage system with 2 intensity levels to cater to your preferences. What sets this hot tub apart is its convenient control features. You can easily manage settings such as water temperature, power-saving timer, water filtration, and the Airjet system, all from your smartphone through the Bestway Smart Hub app. Alternatively, the digital control panel inside the tub allows for manual adjustments. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, the EnergySense insulated cover ensures 40% more efficiency compared to similar models, keeping your energy costs down while retaining heat effectively. Its durable construction using puncture-resistant DuraPlus material ensures longevity, while Freeze Shield technology prevents freezing in colder temperatures. With a user-friendly design, this round tub comfortably fits 2 to 3 people, making it a perfect addition to any patio or backyard. Priced at $457, making the SaluSpa St. Lucia a desirable choice for those seeking relaxation and comfort at home. Experience luxury and relaxation with the Intex PureSpa Calacatta, ranked as the number 4 best hot tub available. This spa combines high-performance features with an opulent environment, providing a larger massage area with double nozzles for maximum comfort. Its salt-to-water and hard water technology ensures water softness, making it gentle on the skin while preventing limescale deposits. Measuring 83 by 27 inches, this 4-seater spa boasts a sophisticated print inspired by the renowned Italian marble of Calacatta. Control is at your fingertips with the rechargeable wireless panel, allowing you to adjust the temperature between 50 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and enjoy 140 jet types of whirlpool bubbles. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-clean filter cartridges, and the package includes a ground sheet, tarpaulin, storage bag, and transport bag. Priced at $900, the PureSpa Calacata offers an indulgent retreat for up to 4 people, delivering both comfort and style to any outdoor space. Immerse yourself in luxurious relaxation with the Bestway SaluSpa Cabo, ranked as the 3rd best hot tub in its category. This SaluSpa Airjet hot tub offers an indulgent massage experience with 140 bubbling warm jets, accommodating up to 6 people for the ultimate unwind. With a temperature range reaching up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it promises to melt away tension and stress. Crafted from DuraPlus 3-layer material, this hot tub boasts exceptional durability, being 33% more resistant to punctures and 56% more resistant to stretching compared to PVC alternatives. The Freeze Shield automatic heating function ensures that even in colder temperatures, the inner components remain unfrozen, guaranteeing year-round enjoyment. Setting up and maintaining the hot tub is a breeze with the included pump, which swiftly inflates the spa, heats it, manages filtration, and controls the massage system. The package includes essential accessories like a cover, chemical floater, filter cartridges, repair patches, and a 6-foot-long cord. For $1349, this premium hot tub offers unparalleled relaxation and durability, making it a worthy investment for your well-being and leisure. Discover the Intex PureSpa Greystone Deluxe, ranked as the 2nd best hot tub. Its cutting-edge fiber tech beam construction ensures unparalleled structural stability, while still providing a sumptuously comfortable surface for your ultimate spa indulgence. Elevating your experience further, this Deluxe spa can be effortlessly controlled from your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing remote programming of spa functions and maintenance. The Greystone Deluxe PureSpa also boasts a removable wireless control panel featuring integrated wireless charging for added convenience. With a generous 48 hours of operation on a single charge, this control panel attaches seamlessly to the tub, ensuring accessibility and ease of use. Included are premium accessories for your complete relaxation, including 2 contoured headrests, an energy-efficient spa cover, and a multicolored LED light to set the perfect mood. Additionally, its built-in fast-fill inflation system simplifies setup with just the touch of a button, eliminating the need for an external hose. Priced at $829 US. Sundance Spas stands out as a premier provider of top-notch hot tubs, offering an array of cutting-edge features and customization options to cater to discerning customers. From state-of-the-art smart capabilities to adjustable fluidics jets, their selection is unrivaled. While predominantly catering to the premium market, Sundance also offers entry-level models, priced at up to $79.99, and mid-level options reaching $11,900 US. Despite their affordability, these models don't compromise on quality, boasting multiple color choices for shells, cabinets, and covers, along with premium features like UVC water sanitation and waterfalls, features that often come at an extra cost elsewhere. What truly distinguishes Sundance Spas are its innovative offerings. Patented fluidics jets ensure durability with their motionless design, allowing users to personalize their massage experience. Additionally, the incorporation of silent air injector jets for aromatherapy elevates the hot tub experience without compromising water quality. The integration of the Smart Tub mobile app further enhances convenience, enabling remote monitoring, control, and scheduling of maintenance. While Sundance Spas excels in delivering luxury and functionality, budget-conscious consumers may find more suitable options elsewhere. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.